Welcome to another episode of One or More, where I try to make you laugh one or more times. Let's get started. On Monday, President Biden and First Lady Jill Biden appeared on the White House balcony with special guest the Easter Bunny. President Biden was surprised by the Easter Bunny's appearance and feared the bunny was there to question his inappropriate actions. By the way, I'm starting to wonder if it's the Democrats who are supporting the meme producers around the world. I mean, I would have expected a Biden sniffing an Easter Bunny meme to be in my feeds by now. This Easter proves that the Biden administration has given away so much money since taking office that an appearance by the Easter Bunny includes a wardrobe change. Well, President Biden plans to announce today that he's moving up the deadline for states to make all American adults eligible for the coronavirus vaccine by almost 2 weeks. You know what that means? Time's running out for vaccine skeptics. Yeah. I'll get the vaccine. I just don't want to be first. I kind of want to wait and see what happens. In business news, Starbucks announced it is now accepting Bitcoin. At nearly $57,000 for each coin, I expect your next barista to ask, "Hey, would you like to tip your change?" Starbucks is happy to enter the Bitcoin market after not knowing what to do with all the cash they made from people who never redeemed their Starbucks gift cards. After being named Russia's hottest man, Vladimir Putin threw up this thirst trap. Yep, Vladimir Putin was voted Russia's hottest man, and I'm guessing that the voting wasn't to the Russian citizens, but by celebrity guest judge. Is it me, or is Vladimir Putin clearly Russia's Joe Exotic? And finally, former NBA champion Paul Pierce was fired from ESPN after Pierce published racy Instagram photos showing him smoking what appeared to be marijuana and hanging out with possible strippers. However, I call foul on ESPN because it clearly states on Paul Pierce's resume that he's into this stuff. Yep, right there. NBA champion. And that is the news and jokes for April 6th. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if I made you laugh once, then please hit that like button. Alright, I'll see you again here tomorrow.